Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Peugeot 307 1.6 HDI. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay area. First we're going to remove this engine cover. Now I'll show you where the filter is located. The fuel filter is located right there. To get access to the fuel filter, first we're going to remove this air intake hose. The air intake hose is held by two metal clamps that we need to loosen and then pull out the hose. Next we're also going to take out this air intake pipe, and now we have better access to the fuel filter. We're also going to disconnect the electrical connector for the mass airflow sensor and push the air filter housing to the back a little bit, so that we'll get better access to the fuel filter. And this is the fuel filter right there. In order to remove the fuel filter, first we need to disconnect this electrical connector, and also there is two fuel lines on the rear that we need to take out. To disconnect the electrical connector, this is the tab that you need to pull up and then pull out the connector. Next we're going to remove the two fuel lines. This is one fuel line and the other one is underneath that fuel line. Here is the other one right there. There is a tab on each fuel line that you need to press, that white tab. You need to press it with a screwdriver or just by hand, it doesn't matter. It's much easier with a screwdriver to press the tab in and then pull out the fuel line. That's the fuel line out. Now I'll show you again how I do it. You just press this tab in with the screwdriver and then pull out the fuel line. And it's the same on the other fuel line. There is again a white tab that you need to press in and pull out the fuel line. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. I'm again showing how to press the white tab and then pull out the fuel line. Now that the two fuel lines are disconnected and also the electrical connector, now we can take out the fuel filter. To take out the fuel filter, there is a tab that you need to press in and then pull up the fuel filter. Here it is. Now the fuel filter is loose, so now we can take it out. This is the new fuel filter that I'm going to use, and this is the part number for it. This is the fuel filter, and then there is two O-rings inside the box that we need to replace as well. So from the old fuel filter, we're going to take this part out that we're going to put onto the new fuel filter. Okay, so now we're going to put this thing onto the new fuel filter, but before that we're going to replace the two O-rings. Now we're going to put it on to the new fuel filter. We're going to push it in all the way, and then we're going to close this thing that is holding it. And now we're going to put the new fuel filter back on the car. We're going to put it in its space, and then we're going to put on the two fuel lines. When you put on the fuel lines, they need to you push them in all the way until they click, and then put on the electrical connector. And as the fuel filter replaced, now we need to bleed the fuel system. There is a hand pump, mechanical pump just there that we need to press. We need to press until we bleed the whole fuel system. You need to press it for about a minute or so, maybe a little bit more, until the hand pump becomes very stiff and you can't press it anymore. That means that all the air has been bled out of the fuel system, and then you can go inside the car and start the car. Okay, now that the hand pump has become very stiff to press, now we're gonna go inside the car and start the car. And as the car started. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.